Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, April 12th, 2022. Let's start with the Forex calendar because it looks like a busy day. Some data had been published as usual overnight, but none of them were really market movers. However, at 8 o'clock we got the data from the UK Climate Count Change, Climate Count Rate and Average Earning Index. All of them were in line with the expectations. Expect the Climate Count Change, so some really good data from the UK. CPI and harmonized CPI data from the Germany scheduled for release at 8 o'clock. Then of course we got the ZEW survey from the Eurozone scheduled for release at 11, and ZEV economic sentiment and current situation data scheduled for release at 11. Those data are from Germany. During the New York session, we got the Consumer Price Index and Core Consumer Price Index data from the US scheduled for release at 2:30. So this is kind of a main event of the day. So we should definitely take a look at the US dollar today, and then of course due to the fact that we got some data from the Eurozone, we should take a look at the Euro dollar as well. So let's start with the US dollar index. Daily time frame chart of the US dollar index is showing us a strength, is showing us that the US dollar bulls are really strong, and US dollar keeps getting stronger across the board. Recently we just passed the level of 100. The local high was 116. Today we already made 110, so we are climbing higher, and this trend is very clear and visible here on this macro view. Let's take a look. There you go, big channel up, targeting right now after the level of 100. I think we should target the level of 196, around 101, and then eventually the highs from the 2020, which is around the level of 102.98, so basically 103, and then the ultimate target 103.81. so for now we are looking very good, and the market keeps going higher. So that's the US dollar index. What is going on the euro dollar then? Is it coming down? As you can see, the euro dollar has been moving down since the middle of the 2021. Is inside of this down channel, the descending channel. This trend line was broken long time ago. Where are we heading then? What are the long-term targets? The first one is 1.0809, but the ultimate target is COVID low, and the COVID low is 1.064941. Okay, so this is the COVID low, and it looks like we are going to hit the COVID low. Why? Because before COVID hit the market, what we have been doing before the COVID, we've been going down. Then there was a the down was made in the low was made in the February. Then we have the relief rally, and we wanted to rally, but then the COVID strike, and then we went down again. And this situation here is the post-COVID rally. So we are going to the pre-COVID levels and to the pre-COVID trend, and the pre-COVID trend was down. So this is what is going on right now on the markets, just the green candles. So that's obvious, we are under strong bearish pressure, and the next target is 1.0809 on the euro dollar. Negative RSI supports the short-term bearish outlook, despite the fact that we might see some sort of a pin bar here that might say, okay, now we have a bounce. Yeah, the bounce was present towards the level of 1.0933, green candle, daily time frame chart, of course, and now we are continuing to move lower. So the British data, yeah, so what is going on the British pound. What is going on cable? Cable inside of the channel, daily time frame chart, of course he is. This is very, let me just move this channel. There you go. There was no bounce, so we can remove that, and the market passed that 38% of the Fibonacci retracement. So right now, let me just remove the 38%. We don't need it anymore. There you go. One line is gone. We passed the 1.3195, 1.3129 support zone. So now this is clearly a resistance, and we are heading towards 1.2836, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement of this big, really big move to the upside from the COVID low. Post-COVID rally, now this is the correction. Okay, so when the correction stops, we might say something that that the trend will reverse and will go higher. However, due to the dominance of the US dollar across the board, this might never happen. So please keep an eye on the British pound. On the lower time frames, we can see we are testing 1.3013, so which means eventually that we are testing 1.3 level. However, there were attempts to break below this level, and soon enough we might hit the level of 50%. 1.28 36 is the next target for the British pound. So please keep an eye on this level. Nothing changes here. The British pound is going lower. What is then US dollar to Japanese yen doing? Oh, there you go. There you go. Just as planned. Just as planned, we hit the resistance at 1.2583, and this is the big candle here. However, market starts to diverge from the price, but please notice the fact that this is very strong uptrend, and we might stay in that divergence for quite some time right now. So bullish outlook for the US dollar to Japanese yen as well. Let's just take a look at this situation from the bigger perspective. What is going on here? There you go. One more zoom out. We need to move towards the 2015 people. So come on. There you go. 2015 high. 2nd of the June 2015 hit. This is a massive bull market. Massive bull market. So where's the next target? Oh, I'm just out of the data, so I can't tell you this. So we will just follow the market day by day, basically, and the conclusions are very simple. Bulls are strong, bulls are going higher and higher. So please pay attention to the market, because this market is really the strongest market ever. What is going on Bitcoin? The Bitcoin is of course down, and if it's down, our scenario is invalidated. Black arrow scenario invalidated. Breakout reason: breakout below short-term trend line support. There you go. The market is right now about 20-something% down. No, 20% down. Okay, 20% down. This correction is almost equal to this correction in price. This correction in time is twice bigger as this one, or even 3 times bigger. So it's clearly the bearish pressure on the Bitcoin gaining acceleration, gaining momentum. We don't need this one anymore. So lower levels are expected on the Bitcoin. Next target is 37,051, and then of course we might go as low as 34,229, and the low of this year from the January 2022, 32,905. So this is the outlook for the Bitcoin. The rally is over. We got the breakout, we got the confirmation of the down move. Please prepare for lower prices. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.